This video is sponsored by Cricut.
Hey everybody, welcome back to Furniture Flipping Teacher. We're removing some carpet, we're getting some new installed. In the last video, you saw that I got a new house and we'll be moving in soon. But before we moved in, we wanted to go ahead and remove all of the carpet in the 4 bedrooms and get it replaced just so that we can start fresh, start new. The other stuff was pretty old, needed a refresh, and we figured let's do that before we actually get the furniture in and move everything in. So we've pretty much got it all taken out. And when I say we, I mean the installers that we hired. We've got all of this piled up. This is 4 rooms of carpet and they are moving and grooving. They have barely been here for an hour. Everything is removed and 2 of the 4 rooms already have a carpet pretty much all the way installed. I am actually amazed at how quickly this is going, but they did say that they'd be here around 4 hours total. So 1 down, 3 to go. I don't know if it's even gonna take them that long, but it's been really fun to check out the process. But also throughout this video, I'm gonna be doing a couple of home projects that I'm really excited to share with you. So thanks to Cricut for sponsoring today's video. So while they are replacing the carpet upstairs, I figured since I need to be here anyway, I might as well go ahead and get some home projects done. Before even moving in, I wanted to add a little bit of some personal touches here in the home, so it's going to feel like home immediately when we move in. So we've got 3 different projects that I am going to do here in the next about maybe hour or so, my time, but in your time, it's just gonna be a few minutes. These projects are so quick, but so easy and so impactful. First thing I am going to do is make a custom doormat using my Cricut Maker 3. So for the doormat project, we don't need too many materials. Of course, you're going to need your Cricut Maker 3 or whatever model you have of a Cricut, and then a doormat that's blank. I picked this up at Walmart for about $8. Not too expensive at all, which is the whole purpose of customizing your home with Cricut. And then you are going to need some stencil film because we are going to be painting onto the doormat, but we're going to need a little bit of guidance. And so the Cricut is going to use the stencil film to cut out my design that I'm designing in the Cricut design space. Let's head over there and design it. So for the design space, basically you need to just add a text box, choose the font that you want, and then start designing. So I know that I want the doormat to say home sweet home, and I want to have a cute little text. I really love this text. I'm going to go ahead and do it at a height of 5, just taking into consideration the width of the doormat and things like that. So that's going to be about a 5-inch little word right there. And then also I am going to add in the other portion of the text, which then I'm going to change the font just to get it a little bit of a different fun font. But the design space has so many different fonts to choose from, and I really love the feature where it pops up what it's going to look like over here on the left side of the screen when you're looking at the design space. But now that we've got this font chosen out, all we need to do is make sure again that it is the right size. So I am going to make mine about 23 inches wide, which then makes my home about 15 inches wide, which is absolutely perfect. And what I'm gonna do is line them up really well, and then I'm going to combine the 2 like so. That way it is one whole design, and then it'll stay in that position when I'm going to cut. Then we are going to go ahead and make. We do have a mat because we have some of the stencil film, and we're gonna have a long mat so that the whole design will fit. Make sure that looks all good, and then we will continue. We'll need to go ahead and put the machine on and connect it. All right, so now that we've got our design cut on here, we are going to be weeding it out. And typically you would weed out the larger things to put the vinyl on top of something. But since this time, this is a stencil, we're actually gonna be weeding out the words. So these tools that Cricut has make it super easy to weed out the unwanted material, and then you can just throw the excess away. Oh, this is already looking great. Next up is the Cricut transfer tape, which we are going to be sticking onto the design so that we can easily transfer the design to the doormat. And this stuff is very sticky and it is static to it. So now we're just going to be placing the stencil onto the mat and taking off the transfer tape so that this is in place and that we can transfer the stencil right onto the actual mat so that I can paint it. It's gonna be a little tricky because this stencil is not super sticky because it's supposed to come off, and the mat, of course, is a funky material that doesn't really want to be stuck to, so let's see. All right, now that I've got this stencil all laid out here, I am just gonna take some black paint and a paintbrush, and then I'm gonna go ahead and just lightly dab it on. This stencil is a little bit tricky because it's not fully sticking to the material of the doormat, which makes sense because the doormat is so like prickly. So I'm just gonna do really careful strokes and kind of just dab it on to make sure that we're getting in all of the spots without peeling back the stencil. I'm gonna start off with just like a little bit of paint and we'll go from there. All right, it's the moment of truth. I'm gonna peel off the stencil and hope that everything looks good. I do have to say I was a bit nervous with all of these small parts, but this stencil so worked. I'm so pleased with the way that this turned out. Wow. I'm just gonna get all of these little remaining pieces off with my Cricut tweezers. They're coming in handy. And there we have our finished product. Home sweet home. So for this next project, I am going to be making a little Wi-Fi password sign. So I thought it would be a good idea to just snag a picture frame from Walmart, and then I wanted to cut out some vinyl to place on the actual frame itself. And then down here, I'm gonna leave it blank, but this is perfect because I can take a dry erase marker and put the password right here. That way, if it ever changes, all I have to do is erase this and then put it back up again. But this will be perfect to display here in the home because we'll have guests and things like that. And instead of having to ask about our Wi-Fi password, we'll just have it on display for everyone to check out. So we're going to do the same thing I did with the doormat, and we're gonna go ahead and make our design in the Cricut design space. Okay, so for the Wi-Fi password, I want to kind of keep the fonts very similar. So I like similar across the text in my entire home. So I am going to go back to my bookmarked ones and start with that so that I can make password sign. Okay, so password, and then add another text box, and this one is going to have Wi-Fi.
This time I'm using no mat since I have smart vinyl.
Actually, before I cut the vinyl for the Wi-Fi password, I also want to go ahead and optimize my vinyl. So when you're using the smart vinyl, which is in this roll, it's really great because you can basically put the vinyl in there and you don't need a mat. But I like to optimize the vinyl, meaning I like to utilize as much as possible for each project. That way I have less waste. So since I am going to be printing out or cutting out another sign, which is going to go on this little guy, I want to go ahead and design that in my design space right now that I have pulled up so it can cut all at the same time, and then we'll just be applying it to 2 different projects. So let's go back to the Cricut design space and add that last one. Next is the transfer tape that I like to cut down to size so that I'm not wasting it. So this is gonna fit for the Wi-Fi password. I'm gonna make sure to get the transfer tape really good on the letters so that it pulls them up. And if it doesn't pull it all up, go back with your little scraper tool. All right, perfect. Now that I've got my 2 signs all finished up, let's take a look at all 3 of the finished projects. Once again, I am just blown away by how quickly this job got done. It has been 3 hours, less than 3 hours, and the carpet installers are already gone and everything is already finished. So let's check out the rooms. I love the new carpet. It's looking so good. They did just an amazing job. They took up all of the carpet originally and then they disposed of it, and then they put new padding down and new carpet in, and it just looks so good. So I'm really happy with the way that this is already coming together, and I'm really glad that we were able to squeeze them in before move-in, which is just happening in like 1 week from today. So I'm absolutely loving how these 3 projects turned out. It really allowed me to soak in the fact that I own a house now and that I'm gonna be getting to do so many fun projects. I wanted to take the time to do a couple of fun projects that are meaningful to me before all of the chaos starts. I've been packing up everything and we're gonna be moving here very, very soon. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little segment of this video with Cricut. I love the way that these projects turned out, but if you're interested in checking out the Cricut design space or the Cricut Maker 3 or any of the Cricut products, I will be sure and link those down below in the description so that you can check them out and then you can make some personalized home projects for yourself. I love using Cricut products, so you can definitely expect that in this home. I'm going to be using it for organization purposes, designing more home decor, and so many other projects, even on my furniture flips. So get subscribed down below for more Cricut projects, and of course, like I said, check out that description link down below. Thanks to Cricut for sponsoring today's video, and that's a wrap on these projects.